can a Vornado heat your entire room without using intense heat and remain cool to the touch? Average heaters get hot, too hot. Heat builds up on and near the heater, creating an intense up-close experience. However, the heat fails to venture far, leaving cold rooms cold. And with poor circulation, these heaters can only regulate the temperature near the device, unable to provide whole room comfort. A Vornado is different. Unlike average heaters, a Vornado uses powerful air circulation to push out heat. The air flows fast, warm and gentle in a twisting spiral pattern called vortex action. To create a continuous current of warm air throughout the entire room, a Vornado uses walls and ceiling as pathways to circulate and recirculate the heat, leaving the whole room perfectly warm and comfortable. With auto climate control, the Vornado senses how much heat and circulation is needed to maintain your ideal temperature and makes adjustments automatically. For added safety, a Vornado comes prepared for everyday unexpected incidents. It automatically shuts off if tipped over or if something blocks the airflow. And because a Vornado doesn't need to use intense heat, it remains cool to the touch, no matter how long it runs. With its 5-year warranty, longevity is something that you won't have to worry about. So, can a heater keep your entire room comfortable without using intense heat and still remain cool to the touch? Feel for yourself. Get a Vornado.
The Dyson Hot and Cool Fan Heater uses air multiplier technology to cool you in summer and warm you in winter. Now with jet-focused technology for personal or whole room projection.
Featured in Lasco's designer series, this oscillating ceramic heater with remote control is a stylish way to control indoor climate. Its decorative metal scrollwork base blends beautifully with surrounding decor. Paired with a multi-function remote, electronic touch control operation, and adjustable thermostat, designer series oscillating ceramic heater with remote control is also easy to use. The 7-hour timer, 2 quiet settings, and 2 heat settings allow maximum control. This chic 1500-watt heater comes fully assembled so you can enjoy its looks and comfort right out of the box.
The new Dyson Purifying Fan Heater projects purified air to heat or cool you. In auto mode, the LCD screen shows you which airborne pollutants have been detected in real time. In cooler months, you can set your desired room temperature, and your machine will maintain it while still purifying the air. During warmer months, switch to fan mode for powerful, personal cooling. And when you'd like purified air without feeling the airflow, you can redirect it through the back of the machine by switching to diffused mode. The machine can rotate up to 350 degrees to deliver heated or cooling purified air to every corner of the room. And for a comfortable night's sleep, nighttime mode activates the machine's quietest settings and dims the LCD screen. The Dyson Link app gives you even more control. Use it to monitor indoor and outdoor pollution levels. See what's been detected and when. Schedule purification and heating to suit your day. And even see how many hours of filter life you have left. Changing filters is easy. Simply press down the side buttons to access the appropriate filter and replace it. The machine will confirm your new filter is ready to use, so you know the air in your home will continue to be purified effectively.
Stay warm with a compact Lasco ceramic heater with adjustable thermostat. The adjustable thermostat control feature allows for personalized comfort any time of the year. Equipped with built-in safety features, 1500 watts of comforting warmth, and 3 quiet settings, the LASCO ceramic heater provides high heat, low heat, and fan-only options. The convenient carry handle allows for easy transport, and the 3-year limited warranty ensures reliability. Arriving fully assembled, the LASCO ceramic heater is the perfect addition for any home.